Hey everyone! Welcome back to ZoomInData. And this is episode 22 of our KQL Concepts Deep Dive series. Today we are exploring multi-dimensional grouping by multiple keys, and the hierarchical analysis implications that come with it. We are keeping everything pure concepts and interview focused. If you missed episode 21 on binning and discretization, it's a perfect foundation for today's topic. Let's get started. Here is our roadmap for today. Multi-dimensional grouping uses a by clause with multiple columns or keys. It creates one output group per unique combination of all keys. Cardinality multiplies. It's roughly the product of distinct values in each column. This enables hierarchical drill down, region to city to user, or category to product to transaction. But high-dimensional grouping risks massive explosion and performance issues. Understanding the hierarchical implications helps you design scalable analytics patterns. Let's dive into how this works and why it matters. Let's look at how multi-dimensional grouping actually works. When you write by col1, col2, col3, KQL builds a hash table keyed on the tuple of col1, col2, col3. Each unique combination gets its own aggregation bucket. The resulting cardinality is roughly the product of distinct values in each column, not just the sum. So if region has 10 values, city has 100, and user has 1000, you could end up with up to 1 million groups. Output rows equal the number of unique tuples. Aggregations like sum or count run independently per bucket. This multiplicative effect is what makes multi-dimensional grouping so powerful and so dangerous. Multi-dimensional grouping shines in hierarchical analysis. It enables classic drill down. Start with summarize by region, then drill to by region, city, then deeper to by region, city, user. Each added dimension creates finer slices, perfect for OLAP style, slice and dice, across hierarchies like geography, product category, time, or organization. But every new key multiplies cardinality exponentially. What starts as 10 regions can become millions when you add user IDs. Pitfall: grouping by too many dimensions in one query causes explosion. Solution: pre-aggregate at higher levels, daily totals, use materialized views for common hierarchies, or filter aggressively before adding dimensions. Hierarchy is powerful, but must be controlled. Take a look at this tree diagram. It shows exactly what happens when you add dimensions to multi-dimensional grouping. At the top, total, one single group, nice and simple. Then branch down to region, say 10 regions, still manageable, just 10 groups. Add city, now 10 regions times 10 cities each equals 100 groups. Cardinality starts multiplying. Go deeper to region plus city plus user. Suddenly 10 times 10 times 1000 users equals 100,000 groups or more. See those explosion warning icons getting bigger and scarier as you go down? That's cardinality multiplication in action. Each new dimension multiplies the number of unique combinations exponentially. The side note says it all. Pre-aggregate higher levels. Don't try to group by everything at once. Summarize totals by region first, or by region plus city in a materialized view, then drill down only on filtered branches. That keeps the tree from collapsing under its own weight. Hierarchy is incredibly powerful for analysis, but without pre-aggregation and filtering, it turns into an explosion very fast. Control the dimensions, pre-compute where it makes sense, and your multi-dimensional queries stay fast and scalable. Cardinality multiplication is the silent killer here. It's multiplicative, not additive. 5 dimensions with just 100 distinct values each can theoretically produce 10 billion groups. In practice, memory pressure hits first. Each group needs its own bucket plus aggregation state, sum, count, etc. Query time grows with the number of groups, building the hash table, merging partial results, sorting output. Real-world pattern: group by course dimensions first, e.g., by region, date. Get aggregates, then drill down on filtered subsets, e.g., where region equals west. This keeps cardinality manageable at every step while still supporting hierarchy. Here are practical design patterns for safe hierarchical grouping. Pattern 1. Coarse to fine drill down. Summarize at the high level first, by region, then drill on filtered results, by city where region equals X. Pattern 2. Materialized views for common hierarchies. Pre-compute daily totals, then query hourly within a day. Pattern 3. Filter early on high cardinality dimensions, where user ID in top 100 before grouping. Pattern 4. Always bin time or numerics before multi-key grouping to control explosion. Pattern 5. Use approximate functions like dcount or approximately _percentile on the deepest levels where precision matters less. These patterns let you enjoy the power of hierarchy without crashing the cluster. Check out this simple flowchart. These are your 5 go-to patterns for keeping multi-dimensional grouping safe and fast in KQL. Start with 1. Coarse to fine, top-down arrows. Summarize at the high level first, region totals, then drill down only on filtered branches. Green check. Avoids explosion right away. Next, 2. Materialized view. Pre-compute common hierarchies like daily or regional aggregates. Green check. Query the view instead of raw data every time. Then 3. Filter before group by, funnel icon early in the pipe, where region equals west, or user ID in top 100, before adding more keys. Green check. Shrinks rows dramatically. 4. Bin. Right pointing arrow multi-group. Bin timestamps or numerics first, then group by the binned value plus other keys. Green check. Controls time or numeric cardinality explosion. Finally, 5. Approximately functions. Badge icon. Use dcount. Approximately _percentile on the deepest levels where exactness matters less. Green check. Massive scale with tiny memory. All green checks because these patterns work together. Coarse first, pre-aggregate, filter hard, bin smart, approximate deep. Follow them, and your hierarchical queries stay powerful without crashing the cluster. Perfect for real production drill down. Why does this topic matter in interviews? Interviewers test multi-dimensional analytics design. Common questions include: how do you avoid cardinality explosion in multi-key group by? And explain hierarchical drill down in KQL. Understanding multiplicative cardinality shows scale thinking. This topic is critical for buy, reporting, and observability roles. Explaining design patterns demonstrates production experience. If you can walk through pre-aggregate at region level with materialized views, then drill on filtered city data with approximate percentiles, you show you've solved real-world problems at scale. To wrap up, multidimensional grouping creates one group per unique combination of keys. Cardinality is multiplicative. It explodes quickly with added dimensions. This enables powerful hierarchical drill-down analysis across multiple levels. But without careful design, it risks memory and time blow-up. Mitigate with coarse-to-fine patterns, early filtering, binning, approximate functions on deep levels, and materialized views for common hierarchies. Master this, and you can build rich, interactive analytics that scale from millions to billions of events without breaking. That's episode 22 done. Thanks for spending time with me on ZoomInData. Next in episode 23, Top-End Semantics, we will explore ranking versus sorting plus limiting, and the surprising cost differences. Homework to lock this in. Explain to someone or out loud. Why does multi-key grouping multiply cardinality? Think of a hierarchical query, like region to city to user, and how you would avoid explosion. Answer this one. What is a good pattern for safe drill down in KQL? If this helped, like the video, share it with anyone prepping for Azure interviews, subscribe for episode 23, and drop a comment with your biggest takeaway today. Thank you so much for watching ZoomInData. See you next time. Keep zooming in on those concepts. Bye for now.